AI backend infrastructure has entered a completely different performance era. Models process millions of tokens, vector databases handle billions of embeddings, and AI agents generate continuous streams of requests around the clock. In this environment, backend runtime performance has become just as important as GPU performance. This is where Bun is rapidly gaining attention. Originally introduced as a fast JavaScript runtime, Bun has evolved into a complete backend platform designed for modern workloads. Instead of simply competing with Node.js, it is redefining how AI infrastructure is built for speed, scalability, and efficiency. Traditional Node.js has powered web applications for well over a decade, but today's AI systems expose limitations that weren't significant when Node was first designed. The first major challenge is the V8 event loop. While V8 remains an incredible JavaScript engine, AI workloads are fundamentally different from traditional web servers. Modern inference systems constantly process streaming responses, parallel API calls, retrieval pipelines, vector searches, database operations, and real-time agent coordination. Under these sustained high-throughput workloads, the runtime spends increasing time managing asynchronous operations and memory, reducing overall efficiency. This doesn't mean Node.js is obsolete. It remains an excellent platform for many applications. But AI infrastructure now pushes runtime architectures into scenarios they were never originally optimized to handle. Another growing issue appears before your application even starts. Serverless GPU environments demand extremely fast cold starts because every millisecond directly affects latency and cloud costs. Traditional Node.js deployments often involve NPM installation, dependency resolution, package loading, transpilation, bundling, and initialization across thousands of files. Even when optimized, these startup steps introduce overhead that becomes noticeable when serverless functions scale up and down repeatedly throughout the day. Bun approaches this differently. Instead of relying on multiple external tools, Bun combines the runtime, package manager, bundler, test runner, and JavaScript engine into a single integrated platform. This dramatically reduces startup complexity, allowing services to become operational almost immediately after deployment. AI applications also rely heavily on vector databases. Every prompt may trigger semantic search operations before inference begins. These vector lookups often become one of the busiest parts of an AI backend. Standard JavaScript runtimes can introduce additional overhead while coordinating asynchronous database drivers, serialization layers, and network communication. As context windows continue growing into hundreds of thousands or even millions of tokens, these inefficiencies become increasingly visible. Reducing runtime overhead means retrieval pipelines spend more time performing useful work instead of managing infrastructure. One of Bun's biggest technical advantages comes from its foundation. Unlike Node.js, which is built around C++ and the V8 engine, Bun is largely written in Zig. Zig provides direct control over memory allocation while emphasizing predictable performance and low-level optimization. This enables Bun to minimize unnecessary allocations and reduce runtime overhead during highly concurrent workloads. Node.js depends heavily on automatic garbage collection, which simplifies development, but can introduce pauses and increased CPU usage when memory pressure becomes significant. High-concurrency AI inference often creates exactly those conditions. Large prompt buffers, streaming responses, embedding generation, retrieval pipelines, and concurrent API requests continuously allocate and release memory. Bun's architecture helps maintain more consistent performance by reducing memory management overhead in these demanding scenarios. Inference caching is another area where Bun introduces practical performance improvements. Many AI systems repeatedly process identical prompts or frequently accessed context. Traditional Node applications often communicate with SQLite through external database drivers, adding serialization layers and additional communication overhead. Bun includes a built-in SQLite driver directly within the runtime. Removing external dependencies shortens the path between application logic and the database, reducing latency for cache lookups and improving response times during repeated inference requests. These small savings accumulate significantly at scale. Build systems also become increasingly complex as AI infrastructure grows. Modern Node projects frequently rely on multiple tools for transpilation, bundling, dependency management, testing, and execution. Every additional component introduces maintenance requirements and opportunities for configuration problems. Bun consolidates these capabilities into one unified toolchain. Applications can often be installed, built, tested, bundled, and executed using a consistent interface without requiring several independent tools. This simplifies production deployments while reducing build times and operational complexity. Performance ultimately comes down to measurable results. When benchmarking requests per second against local language models, Bun frequently demonstrates higher throughput than comparable Node.js deployments, particularly in highly concurrent environments where efficient networking and memory management matter most. The same pattern appears when orchestrating remote LLM APIs. As request volume increases, Bun generally maintains lower overhead while coordinating multiple simultaneous inference streams. The exact performance improvement varies depending on workload, libraries, hardware, and optimization strategy, but many independent benchmarks consistently report meaningful gains for CPU-bound and I/O-intensive applications. Another critical metric for AI systems is time to first token, often abbreviated as TTFT. Users notice this immediately because it determines how quickly an AI begins responding. Bun includes a modern native implementation of fetch that minimizes overhead when establishing HTTP requests and handling streaming responses. Compared with older networking layers commonly used in many Node.js applications, this can reduce latency before the first generated token reaches the client. While improvements depend on the surrounding infrastructure, reducing even tens of milliseconds becomes valuable in interactive AI applications. Memory stability is equally important. Agentic AI workflows rarely process one request at a time. Instead, dozens or hundreds of autonomous agents may coordinate simultaneously while maintaining conversation history, executing tools, querying databases, and streaming outputs. During these sustained bursts, predictable memory consumption becomes essential. Efficient allocation strategies help avoid sudden spikes that can trigger garbage collection pressure or increase infrastructure costs. One of the most noticeable differences appears during service startup. Traditional Node applications containing thousands of dependencies often require multiple seconds before becoming fully operational. Bun-based services frequently initialize in milliseconds. This rapid startup becomes especially valuable for edge deployments, serverless environments, and auto-scaling AI systems where new instances launch continuously throughout the day. Faster execution also has a direct financial impact. Cloud platforms increasingly charge based on execution duration, memory usage, and resource consumption. Reducing startup delays, lowering CPU utilization, and completing requests faster can decrease operational costs across thousands or millions of daily AI requests. As edge AI expands, lightweight runtimes become even more important. Instead of deploying large containers with extensive initialization requirements, organizations are shifting toward instant-on workers that activate almost immediately. Bun's optimized runtime aligns well with this architectural direction, enabling faster scaling while consuming fewer resources. For teams already invested in Node.js, migration does not have to happen overnight. The practical approach begins by identifying stateless microservices, API gateways, inference proxies, or utility services with minimal dependency complexity. These smaller components can often be migrated first while validating compatibility and performance improvements. Core business logic remains unchanged because Bun supports most existing JavaScript and TypeScript ecosystems. As confidence grows, larger services can gradually transition while maintaining interoperability with remaining Node.js applications. The long-term industry trend appears increasingly clear. Instead of separate package managers, bundlers, transpilers, test runners, and runtimes, developers are moving toward unified platforms that combine every stage of development into one highly optimized system. Bun represents one of the strongest examples of this philosophy. For AI infrastructure, where every millisecond affects user experience, operational cost, and scalability, reducing complexity becomes a competitive advantage. Looking ahead, backend runtimes will increasingly be judged not only by language compatibility, but by startup speed, memory efficiency, concurrency, developer productivity, and infrastructure cost. Organizations that continue relying on legacy architectures without evaluating newer runtimes may gradually find themselves paying more for slower systems while competitors deploy faster, leaner AI services. The future of AI infrastructure isn't only about building larger models, it's about building faster systems that allow those models to perform at their full potential. And that's exactly why Bun is becoming one of the most important backend technologies to watch. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe for more deep dives into AI infrastructure, backend performance, scalable architectures, and the technologies shaping the future of software. Leave a comment with the runtime you're using today, Node.js, Bun, Dino, or something else, and share your benchmark results.